Hello, dear students. I welcome you all to the part 9 on DPEE, that is Diploma in Pharmacy Exit Examination. In part 9, we are going to talk about the blueprint of blueprint for the examination for which you will be appearing. Okay. As per the subjects, you will be given the marks distribution. Which subject is to be given highest weightage, and then we are going to talk about the subjects. Okay, subjects and the syllabus. So in part 8, to just give you a brief, we have seen about the communication protocol criteria, then result criteria, then we have seen the image upload instructions. Okay, in part 9 we will be talking about the blueprint and the syllabus. Okay, so as we have told you earlier also that there will be three papers, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, on 3 consecutive days. Each paper will carry 3 sections. Okay, section A, section B, section C. Each section will carry 50 MCQs. 60 minutes will be provided for each section. Okay, section A 60 minutes, section B 60 minutes, section C 60 minutes and so on. So ये तो हम लोगों ने देख लिया, ये तो हमें समझ गया, बट पेपर 1 के जो सब्जेक्ट्स है, पेपर 2 के जो सब्जेक्ट्स है एंड पेपर 3 के जो सब्जेक्ट्स है वो क्या है एग्जैक्टली और कौन से पेपर में कौन से सब्जेक्ट को हाईएस्ट वेटेज है या फिर कितना वेटेज है वो हम लोग देखने वाले हैं. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे डे 1 when we will start, it is on 3rd of October. Paper 1 will contain 4 subjects, that is it will be a mix of first year and second year subjects. All 11 subjects you will be having, like pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, then you will be having pharmacognosy, then you will be having HAP, then you will be having social pharmacy. These all subjects from first year, and the same syllabus which you have studied in Education Regulation 2020, entire syllabus applies to the exit exam. Then second year you had 6 subjects, all those 6 subjects will be there, starting from pharmacology, then you will have community pharmacy, then you will have biochemistry, then you will have pharmacotherapeutics, then hospital pharmacy and clinical pharmacy, and then you will have pharmacy law and ethics. Okay, पर वो कैसे होने वाले हैं अभी पेपर 1 में, सुटिक्स, लॉ एंड एथिक्स, कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी एंड हॉस्पिटल फार्मेसी, ये 4 सब्जेक्ट्स होंगे. उसमें से वेटेज आप देख सकते हो, फार्मास्यूटिक्स को 40 मार्क्स का वेटेज होगा. ओके, देन लॉ एंड एथिक्स को 35 मार्क्स का वेटेज होगा, कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी को 40 मार्क्स का वेटेज होगा एंड हॉस्पिटल फार्मेसी को 35 मार्क्स का वेटेज होगा. दैट मींस हॉस्पिटल एंड लॉ विल कैरी 35 मार्क्स ईच का क्वेश्चंस, एंड सुटिक्स एंड कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी 40 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस. सो ये 150 क्वेश्चंस होंगे. 150 क्वेश्चंस में से शॉर्ट 40 क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर फ्रॉम फार्मास्यूटिक्स, then 40 questions will be there from community pharmacy, 35 questions will be there from law and ethics, and 35 questions will be there from hospital and clinical pharmacy. So this is called as blueprint, wherein you will get the distribution of the marks subject wise. Then in the next paper on 4th of October, you will be having 3 subjects which are very much interconnected. First one is human anatomy and physiology, second one is pharmacology, and then pharmacotherapeutics. You know, they are so much interlinked that it is very much perfect set of subjects wherein paper can be formed. So all will carry equal marks, that is HAP will carry 50, pharmacology will carry 50, pharmacotherapeutics will carry 50 marks. So total it comes to 150 marks for the second paper. Okay, and 3 sections. Now in first case there will be a mix of क्वेश्चंस. ओके, मिक्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जिसमें 50-50 क्वेश्चंस के सेट होंगे. ओके, देन थर्ड पेपर इफ यू विल सी, थर्ड पेपर में 4 सब्जेक्ट्स है. First one is from first year pharmaceutical chemistry, then biochemistry, pharmacognosy and social pharmacy. Pharmacognosy and social pharmacy will carry 35 marks each, and chemistry and biochemistry will carry 40 marks each. जैसे कि पहले पेपर में हम लोगों ने देखा था combination is of 35 and 40. Here also the combination is of 35 and 40, and the subjects will be like this. Okay, so ये आपको consideration में लेना है कि since it is National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences, the maximum weightage subjects you can see here is pharmacology, pharmacotherapeutics and human anatomy and physiology. Rest other subjects also have equal weightages, but you are supposed to emphasize on these many parts. But even though paper wise you are supposed to study, because paper passing is in each paper, मतलब पहले पेपर में भी आपको पास होना है, दूसरे पेपर में भी आपको पास होना है और तीसरे पेपर में भी आपको पास होना है. तीनों में आपको सेपरेट पासिंग है, and if you pass separately in all the three papers, then only you are considered as pass. Okay, then what all subjects will be there? See, look into the subjects. Like pharmaceutical subject is there, pharmaceutical chemistry. With this we have already discussed all the first year subjects, and all the second year subjects are there. Okay, so this is with respect to the blueprint, syllabus and subjects. Okay, so subjects ka syllabus I have already instructed you that the syllabus will remain same as that of education regulation 2020 syllabus. Again you can go through the information bulletin for more updates on the syllabus. Okay, thank you. Stay tuned for the last part of the video, that is part 10, which will be covering the non-disclosure agreements and unfair means. You should also know about these things. Okay, so we'll meet in the part 10. Bye bye.